This is subject.
Hello, this is Gucci. Welcome to ZETA YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you new item from ZETA, REARSHOCK preload adjuster. This one goes to here. When you check the sag, you have to loose or tighten the lock nut. But this new item, REARSHOCK preload adjuster, helps you adjust the quicker and faster, easier by hand. Grab the spring. These are available for the KYB, SHOWA, WP. Please check our website and please contact your local dealers, distributors to purchase. Thank you for watching.